I'm baby, no flapping. Bubblegum, you popping. Switching up my logo. Up and down like pogo. Show you off, that's promo. Always happens like slow-mo.
Hi Curlies, welcome to my channel Curly Tales. I'm Talise, and today I am going to be reviewing the new Aunt Jackie's grapes. And today I am going to be reviewing the new Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed collection. I have the Frizz Patrol Anti-Poof Setting Mousse. And I have the Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. So this collection does not have a leave-in, so I am going to be using the Mio Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. This is one of my favorite leave-ins. I actually missed it. I haven't used it in a little while, so I'm excited to try it today. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all of my subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right below this video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Okay, let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is make sure that these products mix. So I'm just going to take a little bit of each product and mix them in my hands and hope I don't get any kind of weird consistency. So I have a little bit of the leave-in and a little bit of the gel. So this actually is giving me a kind of weird consistency. Damn! So I'm gonna try another leave-in. I'm gonna try the Camille Rose Honey. I just gotta go get it. Okay, this is the Camille Rose Honey leave-in. This is also one of my favorite leave-ins, so hopefully this one mixes better. So I'm taking a little bit of the honey and a little bit of the gel. Okay, so this is giving me a kind of weird consistency too. Damn! That actually looks kind of gross. So, I don't know. Let me go see what else I have. Okay, I brought these 3 leave-ins to try. I have the Soultanicals Slip and Slide Knot Proof Hair Glide. And I have the Frizz Whiz Curl Defining Leave-In, which I love. And then I also have the Main Choice Prickly Pear Paradise Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I love this as well. So I'm going to start with this. Actually, I'm going to start with the Frizz Whiz. Okay, that mixed perfectly. It's the best one yet. I'm just going to go with that. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of the mousse in my hand just to make sure nothing crazy happens. Okay, that mixed really well too, thankfully. Okay, Frizz Whiz Soultanicals coming in clutch. So I'm just going to use this leave-in, and then I'm going to apply the gel, and then I'm going to apply the mousse. All right, let's get started. I have used this leave-in before on my channel in my Soultanicals glycerin-free wash and go video, and I love this leave-in. It's very lightweight, but it has a lot of moisture, and it has slip. Now I'm going to add some of the gel. I like the consistency of this gel. It's pretty thick. It feels like it is definitely coating my strands and weighing them down, which I like. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like after I applied the gel.
Bang, 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 bang. Ready? Start. Bang! Bang! Bang!
And now I'm going to apply a few pumps of the setting mousse. Okay, this is what my hair is looking like now that I've applied the mousse. I basically frizz-free curls right now. So I am already loving this. Okay, so I'm just going to continue adding these 3 products to my hair, and I'll be back once I'm finished. I just realized I didn't tell you guys what this gel or this mousse smells like. So this gel has a very light scent. I would say it's kind of floral maybe. It smells nice, it smells clean and fresh. I like it. And the mousse also has a light smell, but it's more fruity. It doesn't smell bad either. Oh my god, look at this definition. This gel and this mousse are the truth. I'm already loving it. And I did watch a few reviews on it, and some people used it without a leave-in, and they said it was a little drying if you don't use a leave-in. So that's why I decided to search for the one that would work with these two instead of just using them on their own. Okay, this is what my hair is looking like once I've finished adding all 3 products, and I am completely obsessed. I think it looks so cute. I know it's gonna shrink and it's gonna be less cute, but it looks really cute and it looks so shiny and defined. This is what the back is looking like. I rarely use gel and mousse together, but I feel like after these results, I'm gonna have to try some other combinations. Okay, so I'm just gonna let my hair air dry. I will either be back tonight if it finished air drying by the time I go to sleep, or I will be back tomorrow to show you guys what my hair is looking like. All right, bye. Okay, this is my hair the next day once it's fully dried. I am absolutely loving all of the definition and the shine. There is minimal, and I mean minimal frizz. This is what the back is looking like. After I did this wash and go on myself, I also did a kind of braid out on my cousin's hair using these products. And I was able to find another leave-in that works with this gel. And it is actually the Main Choice Prickly Pear Paradise Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I love this leave-in. It smells great. It has a lot of slip and it feels really moisturizing. So I was actually really happy that it was able to mix with the Ice Curls gel, because I feel like my cousin's hair kind of requires a lot of moisture, and this is a very moisturizing leave-in. So far I've only been able to find 2 leave-ins that will mix with this gel. This one and the one that I use, the Frizz Whiz Curl Defining Leave-In by Soultanicals. Please let me know down in the comments if you have used this gel. And if you use this gel and you use the leave-in, please let me know which leave-in you used. Okay, so as of right now, I am very, very happy with my results. My hair does not feel dry. It feels pretty moisturized thanks to the Frizz Whiz Curl Defining Leave-In. I'll be back tomorrow to show you guys how this wash and go is holding up, but I am definitely loving it so far. Alright, see you later. Okay, I'm back. This is my hair on day 3, and I have got to say I am completely loving it. I love it. It is soft. It feels moisturized. There is a ton of definition. I really love it. This Grapeseed collection, this gel and this mousse, I am completely giving them 2 thumbs up. I think you guys should try them. Check them out. This is actually the second on Jackie's gel I've ever tried, but I tried the first one. I tried the Don't Shrink one years ago before I even knew how to do a wash and go. So I should probably check out that gel again, actually. This is what the back is looking like. I can just feel that this wash and go is gonna last me at least 2 to 3 more days, like maybe 4 more days. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.